This lake house restoration was a complete makeover from old world decor to modern ranch. Hi, I'm Susan Semmelmann, and I can't wait to show you what's next. The textures from concrete ceilings to refined woods makes a bold statement, along with all the custom lighting. We use blacks, creams, and cognacs for a masculine feel with soft, sleek lines to give a more contemporary look. We custom dyed hair hide rugs with worn leathers to give a warm, sophisticated vibe. The industrial design kitchen features black painted cabinets, and we created a custom fabricated copper metal vent hood. This finishes off this kitchen's form and function. This dramatic feature wall encompasses its own fireplace with a stone copper tile adorned from floor to ceiling. The master bedroom with the steel bed woven out of metal makes this a true masterpiece. And the master shower is one that takes the cake. We kept the guest bedrooms chic and simplistic for your next house guest. We want to bring interior finishings to the next level. Call us for your next design project.